Good morning, beautiful flower. I don't know what is your name. I waited for you for 3 years to bloom. Thank you, Lord. I think you're still going to expand more and more. Beautiful every day. So beautiful. Thank you for your two offsprings or siblings. See, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4 already. I got 3 of you, and then you produced 2. So how many years naman para naman sila ay bumukad pareho sa'yo? Sana hindi na masyadong matagal. Hello, wild flowers. How are you? Hello, camouflage. New leaf. Alabas na yun naman yung kapatid mo. Wala pa. Okay. Very nice yellow flowers. Ay, naku. Ano kaya ang mga pangalan ninyo? Pink Aster. And also my beautiful orchids. Still 13. And how are you? Money change. Money changer. Money tree. Are you a dollar or a peso? Orchids, hindi pa po namumulaklak. Walang fertilizer. Okay, where can I buy one? Walking with Jesus. Walking every day. All along the way. Walking with Jesus. Walking all the way. Punta naman tayo dito sa front. Okay, ganda nito. Jasmine. Ito pa itong mga to. Hindi pa namumulaklak. Mga baog siguro. So, malapit na siguro. Taas niya na. Kalagchuchi. Okay, I had already a 5 minutes walk through the garden, visiting my plants. Magtanggal na ako ng mga decayed plants. Okay, thank you for watching.